we're not in the Philippines. We're here in the streets of The Hague, here in the Netherlands, where the international community has gathered together for the annual Embassy Festival. Representing the Philippines is a team of Filipino entrepreneurs and food lovers who are here to showcase the best Filipino pulutan, panghimagas, at merienda. And we will hear from the international community what they have to say when they get their first taste of street food, Philippine style.